Today, I want to share a raw, honest look at the ultimate differentiator between people who study English for years without progress and those who actually become fluent. Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to English with KD7. I am here to make your English learning journey simple, practical, and highly effective. So, let's start practicing together right now. The secret does not lie in expensive tuition or a rare talent. It comes down entirely to one question. How are you utilizing your unscheduled hours? In this video, I'm going to break down the exact daily routine I use to convert my free time into power productivity. If you stick with me until the very end, I promise you will walk away with an interview new perspective on habit building. This blueprint is designed to completely upgrade your vocabulary, refine your communication skills, and build a highly robust personality. Let's jump straight forward into the details without wasting a single moment. First, let us address the absolute biggest obstacle standing between you and your personal growth. Mindless digital distraction. We need to look honestly at how much time we lose at to aimless scrolling on platforms like Instagram or randomly jumping from video to video on YouTube. Time is the most precious, no renewable resources you own. When you throw away hours watching endless short clips or scrolling through feeds, ask yourself, what are you getting in return? If you want to achieve something truly extraordinary in your life, you must manage your schedule with absolute focus. You have to step back, look at your habits objectively, and ensure you are on the right track. I made a conscious choice to completely remove addictive apps from my phone because I refuse to let an algorithm hijack my attention span. Instead of letting social media drain your potential, take that exact same time block and invest it heavily into mastering English. Let me share the first practical habit I practice every single day. Deliberate book reading. I make it a point to read at least 10 or 20 pages daily. When you are reading highly quality books, you will naturally run into a common roadmap. You will back encounter familiar with new vocabulary, phrases. When you stumble on a hard word, do not feel anxious and do not let it break your monotonium. You do not need to feel discouraged or close the book out of frustration. Simply open a quick translation tool or an online digital dictionary on your phone. Find the immediate meaning of that specific word to understand the context and keep reading forward. This simple technique keeps your reading fiction incredibly low by immediately bridging the gap and continuing on. You learn new words originally without losing the flow of the story. The second major habit in my routine is reading digital news articles and newspapers. Today, it is incredibly easy to access digital copies of PDF files of premium publications like Hindu or the Times of India through online channels and document sharing platforms. I will be completely realistic with you. Reading newspaper news reports is highly challenging at first. Journalists use a rich advanced tier of vocabulary that might feel completely overwhelming in the beginning initially. That's true. It will feel like a hill to climb. The magic lies entirely in your consistency. When you read an editorial daily, you will notice that the same high value words keep repeating across different articles week after week. The first time you see a tough word, you look it up. The second and third time you see it, your brain recognizes the pattern. Soon you understand the word perfectly based purely on the context without needing a translation tool ever again. This natural repetition is exactly how you build a sophisticated vocabulary and learn to naturally frame highly attractive sentence structures. Now we arrive at the most critical step of the entire roadmap: direct speaking practice. Look at what I am doing right now in this video. I am speaking directly to you in English. Why? Because this is my personal non-negotiable arena for execution. There is a timeless rule that every single language learner must print into their mind. Speaking comes by speaking. Thinking about any other skill in life, dancing only comes by physically practicing dancing. If you only watch dance tutorials on a screen but never step onto the floor to move your feet, you will never master the art. The exact same truth applies to your communication. You can read book for hours and listen to audiobooks all day, but if you do not physically open your mouth and engage your voice, your fluency will remain flat. Repeated execution is the only authentic path to true mastery. I know telling you to this just to give you temporary motivation. I'm telling you to the absolute un unvanished. I know for a fact that you possess the liner potential, and we are carry an incredible amount of energy inside us, but we must actively draw that energy out and direct it toward building our skill, upgrading our communication skill or personality is robust. This deliberaties focus is exactly how structure my personal life. When I am not busy, meaning my primary exam preparations, I dedicated my spare hours entirely to these high value learning activities. I completely avoid the trap of persuasive media design and addictive notification that try to pull us away from our goals. In a future video, I will break down the psychology of social media design in full detail to help you break free from screen addiction entirely. But for today, this practical guide is your perfect starting point. Start applying these techniques today. We be patient with your progress and never stop executing. If this guide brought real value to your mindset, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are working hard to grow, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I would love to answering your doubts directly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Keep practicing, believe in your vision, and I will see you all in the very next video. Stay dedicated and goodbye. Keep practicing, keep learning, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, guys.